Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we are using Aslam taxi services from day one. Alhamdulillah, we've been communicating with him from London. He has so far organized to pick us up from Jeddah Airport to Makkah. He has also arranged for us to be taken to Taif tomorrow, inshallah. We've also had the Makkah Ziyarah. The rest of the service, we still have Makkah to Medina, Medina Ziyarah, and other places we will be visiting, inshallah. His service is fantastic service, absolutely no complaint whatsoever. Very, very happy with his service. And his price, best of all, his price is so cheap and so good. He has guide taxi drivers and taxi guide also in Arabic, Urdu, and also best of all in English too, and good speaking English too, and very, very how can I say, humble and kind drivers he has. And Uncle Aslam, I thank you for your service, and I recommend anyone who is coming for Umrah or Hajj to use his service, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.